Hello class 2, good afternoon. So class 2, I welcome you to this session of chapter 7 adjectives from your grammar book. You need to open page number 39 and we will have a short discussion on what are describing words or what are adjectives. So in the last live class I have told you to color any picture in the given space. And why did I tell you to do so? मैंने आपको ऐसा क्यों बोला था? So that I could tell you about what are describing words. Okay, so that we could describe the picture. That like you have described what you have drawn. Some students have drawn pink flower. किसी स्टूडेंट ने क्या ड्रॉ किया था? पिंक फ्लावर ड्रॉ किया था. Okay, and that student had told that I have drawn a pink flower. Okay, some student had drawn a cat of yellow color. So that student told us that I have drawn a yellow cat. And somebody has drawn a green tree. Somebody has drawn a green tree, and that those students told us that I have drawn a green tree. अगर हम सिंपली इसे फ्लावर बोल देते और इसे ट्री बोल देते तब भी वो इंफॉर्मेशन कंप्लीट होता है ना कि I have drawn a tree, I have drawn a flower. बट जब हमने एक और वर्ड उसमें ऐड ऑन कर दिया पिंक, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टोल्ड मोर अबाउट द फ्लावर. हमने फ्लावर के बारे में थोड़ा इंफॉर्मेशन और दे दिया. व्हेन आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट आई हैव ड्रॉन अ ग्रीन ट्री, दैट मीन्स आई हैव गिवन अ लिटिल मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द ट्री. एंड दिस चैप्टर एडजेक्टिव्स टेल्स यू द सेम, दैट adjectives describe a person, place, animal or thing. They tell us more about the color, shape, size, number of the noun. जितने भी नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं उनके बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं. कौन? एडजेक्टिव्स और द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. सपोज I am drawing two balls here, 1 and 2. What are the names of these pictures? Ball, ball. Now let us tell something more about these balls. Big, small. Yellow, red. Suppose this ball is new but that ball is old. So हम क्या कहेंगे? This is a new ball and that is an old ball. So these words yellow, red, new, old, big, small, these all are describing words that are used to tell more about the naming words. Okay, so now you must have understood what are adjectives or what are describing words. Now take out page number 4040 and take out this exercise. Here there are 10 sentences and in every sentences we need to find out the adjectives and we need to underline them. एक एक सेंटेंस को रीड आउट करना है और एडजेक्टिव्स को अंडरलाइन करना है. और आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सा एडजेक्टिव है? एडजेक्टिव ऑलवेज कम्स जस्ट बिफोर द नेमिंग वर्ड. ओके, जनरली इट कम्स जस्ट बिफोर द नेमिंग वर्ड. नेमिंग वर्ड के पहले आता है और ये हमेशा तो नहीं लेकिन जनरली ऐसा ही होता है. नाउ just look at here and in sentence number 1, Sheena is a good girl. So what is the adjective here? Good. इसको अगर आप फ्रेज में समझो तो अच्छी लड़की, यहाँ लड़की को अच्छा बोला गया है. Good girl. That is a scary insect. Scary means जिसे देख के आपको डर लगे, डरावना. So it is scary is the describing word. Scary insect. डरावना insect. That is a wooden chair. That is a wooden chair. There is a chair whose material has been described here. कि ये एक chair है जो wood का बना हुआ है. That's why it is wooden chair. Like I have a bottle which is made of glass. So हम इसे कह सकते हैं this is a glass bottle. Likewise, wooden is also a describing word. Wooden chair in Hindi अगर आप समझेंगे तो लकड़ी का chair. अभय is a tall boy. अभय tall boy है. Tall boy, लंबा लड़का. So tall is a describing word. We should always eat fresh fruits. हमें हमेशा ताजे फल खाने चाहिए. ताजे फल. So this word fresh is the adjective. It describes the fruits as fresh. Next is the students wear blue uniforms. Students blue uniform पहनते हैं. Uniform is the naming word and blue is the describing word. Blue uniforms. Next, Lalita is playing with her little sister. Lalita अपनी छोटी बहन के साथ खेल रही है. छोटी बहन. Little is the describing word and sister is the naming word. Next is there are 2 roses, 4 lilies and that vase. उस वास में 2 roses है and 4 lilies है. So here roses has been described with the help of number and lilies are also described with the help of number, and madam had told you that a describing word can be shape, size, number, color and yes, it can be color, it can be shape, it can be size and number of the noun. Okay. Now next is number 3. The cheerful girls are making colorful posters. जो happy girls है वो colorful posters बना रहे हैं. तो there are 2 describing words here, cheerful girls and here colorful. Cheerful and colorful are the 2 describing words here. Okay. Now next is, what is the next one? Number 10 is the hungry man had 4 buns, 2 eggs and a glass of orange juice. Okay, let me tell you the meaning of these sentence. The hungry man, एक भूखा आदमी. Hungry is the describing word. Had 4 buns. उसने 4 buns खाए. So again bun has been described with the word 4. 2 eggs, 2 अंडे खाए and a glass of orange juice. जो juice है वो क्या है? Orange का है. So here the describing words are hungry, 4, 2, orange. Hungry, 4, 2, orange. So here we have completed one exercise. Now come to the next exercise. One more time I am repeating the answers. Number 1, good. Number 2, scary. Number 3, wooden. Number 4, tall. Number 5, fresh. describing words, and the describing words are intelligent, one which is smart with the mind, delicious, tasty, shut, shut, strong, strong, brave, sahasi, eight, eight, cloudy, when the weather, when it is dark, when we see dark clouds in the sky, it is called cloudy. P-I-N-K, pink, pink is a color. So now we are going to fill these describing words in the exercise. And let me read it and let me fill it. Nitya has short hair. She never grows her hair. नित्या के बाल छोटे हैं, वो कभी भी अपने बालों को ग्रो नहीं करती. नेक्स्ट, इट इज अ डैश डे, इट माइट रेन. इट इज अ क्लाउडी डे. आज का दिन क्लाउडी है, शायद बारिश होगी. नेक्स्ट, माई सिस्टर बेक्स डिलीशियस केक्स. मेरी सिस्टर बहुत टेस्टी केक बेक करती है. What is the spelling of delicious? D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. Number 4, Manas bought a pink bed sheet from Jaipur. मानस ने जयपुर से एक पिंक बेडशीट लाया. मानस ने जयपुर से एक पिंक बेडशीट लाया. So the answers are short, cloudy, delicious, pink. Short, cloudy, delicious, pink. Now coming to the next, it is number 5. Spiders have 8 legs. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Spiders have 8 legs. The soldier is a brave man. जो साहसी होते हैं ना, जिन्हें डर नहीं लगता, उन्हें brave बोला जाता है. B-R-A-V-E, brave man. He has fought many battles. जो सोल्जर है, जो सिपाही है, वो एक ब्रेव पर्सन है. उसने बहुत सारे युद्ध लड़े हैं. अखिल is a dad boy. He can lift heavy boxes. अखिल एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉय है, वो हेवी बॉक्सेस लिफ्ट कर सकता है. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Monty is a dash boy. He can solve very difficult sums. Monty एक intelligent boy है. Intelligent होने का मतलब होता है when you are healthy with the mind. जब आपका mind अच्छा चलता है, so you are intelligent. So Monty is an intelligent boy. I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T, intelligent. Monty is an intelligent boy. He can solve difficult sum. Now the next exercise is something that I'm not going to write. This you will solve by yourself. The next exercise है, वो है write the opposites of these adjectives. Okay, every adjective has an opposite. Like ये वाला जो है, this exercise, all the words you have learned in class 1, and I hope that you all are knowing the answers. See the example. These are 2 girls. Both are happy. Both have 2 ponies, but one is short and one is tall. Likewise, you have to write the opposite of these words. I'll make you understand 1 or 2 with the help of 1 or 2 examples. Okay. Now see here, write the opposites of given these adjectives. Tall, short, heart, heart, heart. Don't get confused about heart. Heart, something which is hard to touch. Like, what is heart? This duster is hard, or the cotton is hard. कॉटन अगर आप छूओगे तो वो सॉफ्ट होता है, लेकिन जब आप वुड छूते हैं तो उसका टच जो होता है वो हार्ड होता है. सो व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ हार्ड? इट इज ऑलवेज सॉफ्ट. HEAVY, heavy. Heavy means which has more weight. जब वेट ज्यादा होता है तो उसे हेवी कहते हैं. लाइक इफ आई आस्क यू, आपको देखने से समझ में आ जाएगा, दिस इज अ प्लास्टिक बॉटल एंड दिस इज अ ग्लास बॉटल. कौन सा हेवी होगा? ऑफ कोर्स दिस प्लास्टिक बॉटल विल बी लाइट एंड दिस विल बी हेवी. सो द ऑपोजिट ऑफ हेवी इज LIGHT, light. Big, small, rich, poor, easy. अब ये वाला वर्ड देखो, इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे. इजी का मतलब होता है हिंदी में इसे सरल और आसान कहते हैं, और इन हिंदी ऑल्सो जिसका विरोधी शब्द होता है, जो उसका ऑपोजिट वर्ड होता है, वो होता है सरल, कठिन. तो यहाँ पर आपको इजी का हार्ड नहीं लिखना है और इसको बोलने में भी मिस्टेक नहीं करना है. The opposite of easy is always difficult. Difficult. Only this I am going to write because it has a different spelling. Don't get confused. This is your homework that you have to fill it. Easy, difficult, hard, soft. These two adjectives are very confusing. Opposite of hard is soft and the opposite of easy is difficult. Now the next is slow. Opposite of slow is fast and the last one is near. Opposite of near is far. So here also we have completed this exercise. Now come to the next exercise. The next exercise is the same. It is the same exercise that you need to write the opposites of the word, but ये वाले exercise में अभी पहले हमको adjective find out करना होगा. We need to find out the adjectives and then we need to write the opposites of those found out adjectives. Like it is given in the first one. See the first one. First let us read the sentences. First let us read this question. Encircle the adjectives, replace them with their opposites. Adjectives को encircle कीजिए और उसके बाद उसकी जगह पर एक नया adjective लिखेंगे जो कि उसका opposite होगा. One has been done for you. See, number one, my uncle is a weak man. Here, weak is an adjective whose opposite is strong. Okay? Next, number two. Could you get me some hot water? क्या आप मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा गर्म पानी लाएंगे? Here, the adjective is hot, whose opposite is cold. COLD, cold. Next, this is a long dress. Long, opposite of long is short. SHORT, short. Next, look at the dark sky. Dark का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Dark का opposite हमेशा light होता है, ठीक है? लेकिन यहाँ पर dark sky, we need to change the adjective according to the naming word. यहाँ क्योंकि sky है और sky अगर dark होता है that means कि बादल घने हैं. That means वहाँ clouds है, और जब बादल घने नहीं होते हैं तो आसमान साफ होता है. So here for dark you need to write clear. Look at the dark sky और उसका opposite हो जाएगा look at the clear sky. Next is, although dark का opposite clear नहीं होता है, but here in the sentence we can write clear. Rahul is a good boy. Good. The opposite of good is bad. Next, small font. The opposite of small is big. Next, Geeta likes fast car. Fast. Opposite of fast is slow. Next, number 8. He listens to loud music. Loud. यहाँ loud का मतलब जो है ना वही है, ठीक है? Loud का मतलब जहाँ पर बहुत शोर होता है, ठीक है? जैसे बोलते speak loudly, speak slowly. But यहाँ क्योंकि म्यूजिक है तो लाउड म्यूजिक का ऑपोजिट जो होता है वो सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक होता है. तो here we will write soft. And the sentence will be as he listens to soft music. Next is okay. Loud का यहाँ पर opposite light भी हो सकता है. But we can use the word soft. Wear clean clothes to the school. Clean. Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Next. They are happy children. The word happy is the adjective and happy, opposite of happy is sad. So, the answers, the adjectives from 1 to 10 are, and their opposites I am saying it one more time. Weak, strong, hot, cold, long, short, dark, clear, good, bad, small, big, fast, slow, loud, soft, clean, dirty, happy, sad. So, class 2, here in this video, we have covered up 1, 2, 3 and 4 exercises, and in the next video, we will cover 2 more exercises and your chapter will be complete. I think 3 more exercises we need to complete. Okay, and your chapter will be over. So, class 2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.